What is up, guys? We are 5 weeks out till men's physique competition. We are here at Planet Fitness. We're about to get a workout. I'm meeting up with my buddy Sutton. She's going to be putting me through her intense leg workout, so hopefully I get a pretty good workout for today. We're not allowed to film at Planet Fitness, but I'm gonna try to sneak it in. If we get kicked out or if we get the lunk alarm on us, YOLO, let's do it. There's more to life than this. Just go for it. So we're here. This is Sutton.
Hello.
Well, we're gonna walk each other through our own leg day, so.
I'm hyped. I'm excited. Kill me?
Yeah, at the end of the workout, as long as we feel like we're gonna throw up, that's all that matters, so.
That's the goal.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed this workout, and well, let's get to it. All right, so Sutton, what is it that you do to like warm up your legs?
Let's see. Well, I probably at least, depending on what I work on, but I'll just at least stretch out, especially the hip flexors. Ooh. Oh, definitely felt my back crack on that one.
Was it a butterfly position, whatever it's called?
Yes. You can flap if you want.
Just kind of warm up my hips by doing some kicks, front and back, to the side, hip flexors. Do it on the other side too, the same. Getting my hip joints and stuff lubricated. And then what I'll do after that is I'll kind of just stretch down like this. Very basic. Get the hammies like all warmed up.
Yes.
Stretch out my quads because we're gonna hit some crazy quad. See, I don't have as big legs as Sutton does.
No. You can turn this camera around right now and my quads do not look like that. Goals.
All right, so typically what I like to do on this one is like I like to focus on the outside of my quads. So I'll lean forward. Since we're barely starting, I'll just I'll make sure that my heels are pointed upwards like that, and then I'll squeeze at the top and then slowly bring it down for 5 seconds. So I do like a time under tension kind of deal.
Oh no. Okay, we're ready.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
And make sure that your ankles are pointed upwards.
This?
Yep, at all times.
Ooh.
You feel it?
Yes.
Okay, so the last technique that I'm going to show you guys is working your inner quads. Instead of having my ankles pointed up like this, I point them straight like this. Yep. And they're close to each other. And I'm leaning at the edge of the seat. So I'm pointing the whole time. You're going to feel this in the inside of your quads.
All right, guys. Hip abduction. You ready, Daryl?
Let's go.
All right. So I know a lot of people like to sit down when they do this, but I prefer to kind of stand just because I feel like I get better range of motion.
So you're telling me I got to do this like awkward position?
Yep, just like this.
Oh,
All right, Daryl, let's
am I
go.
doing this right? Is my position looking?
Yeah, let's go.
This feels weird. I've never done it like this.
Ooh, no hands. Look at you go.
Oh, damn. I all by means don't practice this at home. I promise you. But I am feeling it.
Yep.
I shouldn't make faces while I do this.
As long as I don't make eye contact, we're good.
Okay, yeah, I feel it. Oh. All right, change of plans, guys. We're not doing leg day. We're doing a full body today.
Yes. My specialty is upper body, so let's go.
Yeah, might as well. That's my specialty too. So we're gonna work some shoulders a little bit. Let's see how we do.
Yes.
I'm gonna show her my shoulder routine.
Yep. See who's more swole. Definitely Daryl.
Shoulder lateral raises. So I'm using like this bench to kind of like isolate and make sure that I'm not compensating with using other muscles. The idea is to push into the ground, up into like the walls. So here, I'm gonna do like 10. Some abs.
So what's easier in your outfit?
I grab it.
No, me on the other.
Faster.
Si te caes del árbol te atraparé.
Let's see if I'm as good as that. My attempt was not.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yeah. Voy en camino. Voy en camino. Voy en camino. Voy abajo.
So like, just like that?
So lift at the same time and then do like an extra little push at the top. Yeah. So all the way up and then a little more. Yeah.
Damn.
Can you bring your legs higher up?
Nope.
All right.
I'll try.
There we go. There we go. Ass. How you feeling?
I'm done. And that was only set number 1 out of like 5.
I'm up. Make it 4, but okay.
Eres la fruta que da bendición para mí. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yeah. Voy en camino. Voy en camino.
Alright guys, so that was the end of our workout session.
Hey, look at my abs popping after those exercises. Hyped.
No abs yet?
You got abs, stop it.
It's the lighting.
They're there. Hey, it's the lighting, it's fine. We've got both of our abs, so we're good. Nice. I'll be sore tomorrow for sure.
Yeah, same here, especially in my abs.
Yes.
So see you guys soon on the next one. Take
Yes.
care.